Welcome to my channel. So in this video we are looking at how we can set up our webmail using Outlook. Setting up your webmail with Outlook comes with a lot of benefits. It makes everything well organized, and then it also makes work easier for you. So that's what you are going to do. Now when you have your Outlook, that is if you are using Microsoft Windows, you have Outlook there. Just navigate through and then click on Outlook. So there will be nothing there. Just click on add account. So if you click on add account, it will ask you to input the name of the account you want to add. Now don't forget that before you can add your customized to email to your Outlook, you must create it first. Else if you don't create it, you'll be required to create an email using Outlook domain, but you want to send messages that are professional, that represent your business. So I've entered the password I used to create the golda@transaf.com. Now, okay, so it is saying something went wrong. Let's try again. Good. So here, this setup incoming server, we must change the incoming server to transaf.com. Now the encryption method, you leave it like that. Outgoing server the same as the first one. Now it is saying that required using secure password. So yes, let's say that, or you can even ignore. Now let's click on next. So the password we entered. So if everything is intact, you realize that it will add the account automatically, and then from there you can set up your signature and add every information you want to add. Great. So you can see that it says account setup is complete. Now you see that it's saying set up Outlook mobile on my phone too. So in this case, you can also set up this your account on your phone, meaning that there's no need for you to carry your PC along. You can just take your phone and you can respond to messages right from your phone. It's pretty easy and simple. So in case you want to find out how to do that, I have a complete video on how you can set up Outlook on your phone using your professional business email account. It's pretty easy and simple. And I also talk about how you can set the signature on your phone. So that is our inbox, golda@transaf.com. Let me take you through how you can set up the signatures, and then the rest is pretty easy when you want to send messages, email, and the rest. So if you want to set up the signature, you go to new email. Then when you come here, you key in these things. But I'm interested in the signature. So you go to signature. Now you go to signatures. You see I've already created some for this. So you go to signatures. So you create on new. Now what is the name of this? So let's say Golda is HR. So let's say for HR. Now let's start. So what will be the closing remarks? Let's say kind regards. Now she's the HR, so HR manager. This one with managers. The name of the company. So on your keyboard you see this sign there. Then let's say Transaf. So where is the business located? You add the address, phone numbers, any other information you want to add. You see that this one, it looks as if it's on one straight line, but if you add it automatically, you have to click on the enter so that it will come on the next line. So address, depending on how the address is. Now let's assume you want to change this one. You can change it. Now if you don't want these things to be black, there's no need to worry. Just come and change the color here. Any color you want, you can change it. So that is how we set up the email signature in Outlook. I have a video on this one on the smartphone, how you can change or set up the signature. So you can add a whole lot of things. Let's assume you want to add a link. I don't have any link copied, but let me show you. So let's assume the website of Transaf. Just highlight this one and then come to this. So you enter the URL here and then you are good to go. Hypertext what. Then you click on OK. So once you click on it, this one will automatically be a link. When they click on it, it will send them to your website. So when you finish, you click on OK. So now you've created the signature for, what's the name? Golda. So if you go to this side and you click on HR, you realize that HR has come. And in this case, because I have a lot of emails set up, that's why. If it is only one person, it will just come automatically. So you don't have to be typing this each and every time. No, it will be there automatically, and then you can send it. This same thing can be done on your smartphone. Like I said, you can check the video out. It's pretty easy and simple. Now, Let me show you one thing. You realize at times you get emails that you did not even subscribe. People will add you to their mailing list and they will be disturbing you. So one benefit of using the Outlook is that you can block those emails. So just home, come to junk and then block sender. So before you can block the sender, make sure you have opened that email. Then when you click on block sender, you get a notification. You click OK, that's all. It will be blocked. So when they send you message, you cannot receive them. So it's pretty easy and simple. So we will end here. If the video is helpful, kindly subscribe and then share it, like and comment it.